song is not just a song, it's a lesson for all of us. They are actually saying that only mother's love is selfless. Only mother loves without any reason, and everybody loves for a reason. So this song is not a song, it's also a lesson. Subhanallah. So it was in Dhanmondi Lake. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khairan.